La Librairie des Lycées exists for over 20 years and is located in the area of the Limpertsberg in Luxembourg, at the very heart of an important network of secondary schools. We work with particulars, but also with professionals, public or private, such as schools or other educational institutions like universities.
La Librairie des Lycées is specialized in school textbooks and extracurricular books in different languages: Luxemburgish, German, English, French, Spanish and Italian, and other languages on request.
We are broadening our reading offer with the arrival of books for children and for adolescents, also available in different languages. For pupils, students, parents and teachers, it is also a point of sale for classical stationery, elegant and artistic, with a wide range of materials and different brands.
By the start of next school year, you will be able to discover for the first time a brand new range of satchels, trolleys, covers and backpacks.
For all kinds of events such as birth, baptism, communion, weddings, anniversaries, diploma congratulation or departure for retirement, we offer a large choice of cards. For your kids, we bid numerous brands of prestigious cuddly toys, games, toys and cartoons DVDs. We also propose a trendy and famous range of decoration products for reception, adorning, offering without forgetting our range of gifts, souvenir and gift boxes, Wonderbox. We also propose a range of services such as delivery, overlapping of textbooks, photocopy, the creation of rubber stamps, the plasticizing and the binding of documents, without forgetting the sale of newspapers and magazines, tobacco and accessories for smokers, for phones.
La Librairie des Lycées opens itself for new medias and throughout its reputation and our team. I intend to consider the sign of confidence accorded from our customers and to subscribe in this continuity for the future.